Right. Next on the bench is the LEVOIT Vital 200 SP, which markets itself as a large room solution. LEVOIT's own product listings and the page flag the Vital 200 SP as capable of clearing very large spaces. The Vital 200 SP spec page lists a large square foot capability and shows features like a washable pre-filter, ahem verification, and an air quality monitor. Price-wise, LEVOIT lists the Vital 200 SP with an MSRP in the manufacturer store. Prices vary on and with sellers. Check the link in the description for the live price, but functionally this unit brings U-shaped intakes for better hair odor capture, app or smart home connectivity on some versions, multiple fan speeds, and an emphasis on pet households. The reviews are interesting. People with multiple pets or open floor plans say it noticeably reduces hair and smells, and the washable pre-filter is a big time saver for maintenance. What I love: the Vital 200 SP is engineered for larger floor areas and thinks about pet-related problems, which many purifiers ignore. It's got the typical LEVOIT build quality, clean design, easy control pad, and sensible filter indicators. What I don't love: larger room capability often means bigger filters and higher replacement costs. Plus, if you want truly whole home performance, you'll still need more than one unit or a larger commercial grade unit. A few reviewers also note occasional app connectivity hiccups on smart models. Nothing deal breaking, but worth knowing if you are buying for smart home integration. Overall ratings skew positive. People tend to give this model solid marks for airflow and pet odor control. Bottom line: the Vital 200 SP is a great, serious home option if you've got pets or a big open living area. If budget is a factor in filter replacements, but otherwise this one is a strong mid-range performer. We share buy links in description box. Hit the link to see the live price and decide whether to jump on any ongoing deals.